Blush AI Dating Simulator is built by the creators of Replica and offers a unique twist on virtual romance, giving users AI generated matches with backstories and roleplay scenarios that feel closer to real dating apps. It's fun as a practice ground for conversations, but reviews show serious downsides. Safety and legitimacy concerns. These scores are extremely low, with many users reporting scams, fake profiles, and poor moderation, meaning it is very risky, of course. If you expect privacy or genuine companionship, in short, Blush is worth trying only as a novelty or entertainment app, but it's not a safe or reliable alternative to real dating platforms.